Hey there, creative content creators. Welcome back to Digital Creators Hub. I'm your host, Blessed. In today's tutorial, we are diving into the world of masking effects in Adobe Premiere Pro. Masking is a powerful technique that allows you to creatively control what parts of your video are visible. Today, I'm showing you 5 creative masking techniques inside of Premiere Pro, and I hope that they inspire some creativity in your next edits. Whether you are a beginner or looking to take your editing to the next level, this tutorial will guide you through 5 incredible cool masking effects that will add a touch of magic to your video. Let's get started. Let's begin with the essentials of masking. This fundamental technique helps you control which parts of your video are visible, allowing you to focus attention and creating stunning effects. To do this, take the following steps to create your masking effect. The first thing to do is to import your footage to the timeline. Ensure that you select the clip you want to mask and go to Effect Control panel. Click on the Ellipse mask option to create a circular mask around your subject. Then adjust the size, position and fading of the mask to achieve the desired effect. Next up, let's add some mystery and intrigue with a text reveal mask. This effect is perfect for adding titles or emphasizing specific elements in your video. Follow the following steps to get this done. The first thing to do is to import your video to the clip to the timeline. Then create a new text layer and type your desired text. Place the text layer above the video clip. Then, with the text layer selected, go to the Effect Control panel and click on the Polygon mask option. Ensure you adjust the vertices of the polygon mask to cover the text. Play with the mask expansion to reveal the text in a unique way. So let's unleash our creativity with a shape mask effect. This technique allows you to apply a mask in a custom shape, adding an aesthetic touch to your video. So to get this done, do the following. Ensure that your footage is on the timeline. Then create a new shape layer from the graphics menu. You can choose a shape such as a star or heart and adjust its position and size. Place the shape layer above your video clip. Then with the shape layer selected, go to the Effect Control panel and click on the Track Mask key effect. Set the mask option to the shape layer, revealing your video through the shape. Now, let's explore a captivating masking transition effect that seamlessly blends 2 clips. To get this done, do the following. You want to ensure that you've imported 2 video clips to the timeline, overlapping them slightly. Then create a new shape layer from the graphics menu. Draw a mask shape that covers the entire frame. Then add a keyframe to the mask position at the beginning of the transition. Move a few frames forward and animate the mask position to reveal the second clip. Finally, let's create a mesmerizing double exposure effect using masking. To get it done, do the following. Ensure that you import 2 video clips to the timeline. Place one clip above the other and adjust their timing as needed. Apply a mask to the top clip. Then use the pen tool to draw a custom mask shape that reveals specific areas of the top clip. Go ahead and experiment with the mask part and fading for seamless blend. And there you have it, 5 incredible masking effects in Adobe Premiere Pro that will add a splash of creativity to your videos. Remember, masking opens up a world of possibilities for visual storytelling and artistic expression. If you find this tutorial helpful and inspiring, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more mind-blowing editing tutorials. Keep editing, keep creating content.